Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor links in Mailchimp. This feature is incredibly useful when you're creating longer email campaigns and want to help your readers jump directly to specific sections without scrolling through everything. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your Mailchimp account using your username and password. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all your campaign tools and settings. Next, click on Campaigns in the main menu on the left side of your screen. This section houses all your email campaigns, both active and draft. From here, you'll need to select the email campaign you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, click Create Campaign and choose Email from the options presented. This will set up a new campaign where you can build your email from scratch. Once you've selected your campaign, click the Edit Design button. This opens up Mailchimp's email builder, which is where all the magic happens. The builder gives you full control over your email's layout and content, including the ability to add anchor links. Now, here's where we create the anchor point, which is essentially the destination where your link will take readers. In the email builder, select the block where you want to insert the anchor point. This could be a heading, a text block, or any section you want readers to jump to. Place your cursor at the beginning of the text in that block, then look for the anchor icon in the toolbar. It looks like an anchor symbol and is usually found among your text formatting options. Click on the anchor icon and an anchor properties pop will appear. In this pop-up, you'll need to enter a name for your anchor. Make sure it's simple, lowercase, and contains no spaces. For example, you could use something like Section 1 or Special Offer. This name is what you'll reference later when creating the actual clickable link. Once you've entered the name, click OK to save it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an anchor point in your Mailchimp email campaign. This anchor can now be linked to from anywhere else in your email, making navigation seamless for your readers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.